Hi guys, it's Mrs. Buitenbeentje. Welcome back to my channel. This is the first video of my fall fashion mood board of 2020, which is calming down my wardrobe. This color doesn't really scream calming, but something happened. What had happened was, no, this is Ace. Ace is by Seamwork. As you guys know, I am a Seamwork ambassador. And I put this one on my fall fashion mood board. Now, I believe in my previous video I showed you guys different fabrics that I wanted to use. This one wasn't one that I showed you guys. It is from, I don't remember the store. I'm going to put the name down below here so you guys can check it out. And that's where I bought this fabric. The first time I attempted to make, or I made the Ace, it was way too small. I'm not sure what really went wrong because I usually make a size 2 for my clothing. However, it was so tight on my arms, it was not comfortable. I had to go back to the drawing board. I drew a 4, and this time to prepare for my project, I decided to send my Ace pattern to the print shop earlier, like days before I was going to start, so they could print it out. And the rest I usually just print out at home. And this is how I how I organize my pattern in terms of Seamwork. This folder is especially for Seamwork, has all my patterns in there. If you haven't seen my Seamwork lookbook, it's definitely on my Instagram. The handle is somewhere in here or in the description box, so check it out. Let's go into the spec. This shirt is super easy. It has only 3 pattern pieces and it is made out of stretch, so it's stretchy fabric, which is easier. The description is that it's a fitted funnel neck top and it's a breeze to sew. I can attest to that. The only thing, make sure you have your correct size. Other than that, let's see, what can I tell you? Supplies and notions. You need an all-purpose polyester sewing thread. So I usually buy them from Gutermann or Mittler, but I'm sure the Goldman is also good. You need a ball pen sewing machine needle. Let me just show you. You can use your sewing machine needle. You can, if you buy the universal one, like from this one. I'm going to put a picture in the screen so you know which is a ballpoint needle. But what I found at my local sewing store was that they also have one that is a super stretch, which is also very handy, and it's also a 75 by 11. Super stretch is also one that you can use when you're sewing stretch. And you got to make sure that your fabric has this capacity of stretch, so you can just put your fabric right here and then stretch it out and see if it has enough stretch for this pattern. I didn't count out the amount of steps, but I will put the number in here somewhere when I'm editing. But it was super easy. I wouldn't say that it's under an hour, but it's definitely close. You can get it done. If you don't count the preparation and you just count the sewing on its own, it's very easy. You can get it done. And also, actually, to finish off all of my seams, I use my overlocker. And just for like underneath here, I just made use of my twin needle, which is also something that they say that you can use. This is how I decided to combine it or style it with my pleather skirt. You guys know this one. I made it maybe 2 falls ago of a fall fashion mood board, and it is from Nightrend. And I would definitely style it with these shoes. These are from ASOS. Yeah, that's about it. So really easy. You make sure you close the side, you close the shoulder seams first. Then you put in the sleeves. You make sure, because the front only has 1 notch and the back has 2 notches. So you just make sure you have that first off the top, and you sew it all the way through just making sure. If you need pins, you just put pins in it. It doesn't matter, because you gotta be comfortable with what you're sewing. So once you do those two, you have to put the collar inside and then sew a little bit on the sides so it can stay inside. And then you make sure that you finish the cuff or the hem of your sleeve, which I did with a twin needle. Yeah, we're ready. We're ready. Well, no, we're not ready, but I mean, we're excited. We're getting through it. I'm enjoying the process. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid to comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. And you have a great day. Bye.